April 25th, 2025. We did all right. We got a tackle and we got another wide receiver. They said he's a beast, though. Both of them are beasts and powerhouses. So hopefully they do good. But I liked our first round pick. That was the best one. That was the best one. Nothing could beat that. Nothing much. We don't watch the news. We watch the draft. So there's no news because the draft. So and yeah, freaking Donald Trump talk about some whoever didn't pick up Shadir Sanders in the draft is stupid. Like, no, you picked. What you mean picked? You picking Connor? You're not picking him. You don't need another quarterback. We probably get only time we get a quarterback is in the 5th round. So you probably have to wait till the 5th round. So sorry. If you want to go to us, you have to wait in the 5th round. Be a backup. That's the only thing he can do because we didn't pick him starter. So sorry. And that was yeah, not too much. Yeah, pretty chill. Good chilling and good. Okay. Bye, love y'all.